A very good evening to you all. Today I'm going to talk about a beautiful word, and that is meditation. The moment we talk about this word meditation, a lot of questions keep coming into the minds of the people. Like, what exactly is meditation? इसका बेस्ट तरीका क्या है करने का? Is it becoming a monk or a saint? क्योंकि हमने सिर्फ सेंट्स को ही देखा है मेडिटेटिव पोज में बैठे हुए. क्या इसका कोई पर्टिकुलर टाइम है या कोई डायरेक्शन है करने की? दिस एंड दैट. एंड दे इवन स्टार्ट पैनिकिंग कि मुझसे मेडिटेशन नहीं होती. आई जस्ट कांट फोकस और कॉन्सेंट्रेट because the moment I sit for meditation, a lot of thoughts keep coming into my mind. So today, you really need to understand what exactly meditation is. And I'm very sure that it will change your perception today. And I want to tell you one thing, that meditation is a state that if you achieve, you can be in a meditative state 24/7. मैं दोबारा ये कहूँगी कि मेडिटेशन एक वो स्थिति है, एक वो अवस्था है कि अगर तो आपने प्राप्त कर ली, आप मेडिटेटिव स्टेट में 24 घंटे 7 दिन रह सकते हैं. एंड यस, इट इज पॉसिबल. See, it is not something that you intend to do for 10 to 15 minutes sitting down in silence with your eyes closed. Yes, these are all parts of meditation. ये start इसी से ही होता है. But meditation is actually a state. Being in that state all the time. So now let me come to the true meaning of meditation. We all must have heard about the word compulsion या compulsiveness या फिर compulsive behavior. See, whenever we talk about addiction, we often relate it to alcohol, smoking, or even a substance. See, when we are addicted, it means we are in a state of compulsion. और हम फिर अपने आप को यही समझाते रहते हैं कि यार I just could not stop, मुझे तो लेना ही पड़ा, I just couldn't control. ऐसे ही होता है. But compulsive behavior can show in many areas of your life. It could be ego, it could be anger, it could be hatred, it could be disappointments, it could be lying, etc., etc. Now just take few seconds and reflect on yourself that where all in your life you have shown compulsive behavior. Make a note of all those things because then it will become easier for you to understand the true meaning of meditation. I hope you have all done that. Now, you could be a compulsive liar. As I told you, आप झूठ बोलते जाते हैं. Maybe you are somewhere else and you get a call and you just say, I'm busy driving right now, I'll call you back later. कोई ज़रूरत भी नहीं होती झूठ बोलने की, you still do that. You could be a compulsive eater. आप खाते जाते even when your body is telling you to stop. No, but because of taste or lust, you keep on eating and then you become obese. And you're also inviting lifestyle diseases in your life. You could be a compulsive talker as well. आप बोलते जाते हैं, sometimes even nonsense, bullshit. You really do not know when to stop. But no, you are addicted. You are in a state of compulsion. So you keep talking on and on. You could be a compulsive walker as well. आपने आज एक पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस कवर कर लिया वॉकिंग में, बट नो, आप अपने आप को शो करना चाहते हैं एंड इवन टू योर फ्रेंड्स कि मैं आज 10 किलोमीटर्स और चलूँगा या चलूँगी, टू जस्ट शो देम कि आज देखो मैंने कितना चला है. बट योर बॉडी इज गिविंग यू वार्निंग. It is giving you signals that you need to stop here. You're very much exhausted. It will create problems later on. But no, you don't know when to stop. You could be a compulsive thinker. Overthinking relates. to it. कैसे होता है वो? सपोज आप किसी ने आपसे कोई बात की, आपके दिमाग में वो बात चलती रहेगी. Maybe this person conspired against me, and maybe because of this person today my life is miserable. And such thoughts keep churning in your head on and on and on. You know, this is called irresponsible self-talk. And I tell you, it is a big disaster. You need to stop it immediately. Now, the opposite of a compulsive behavior is awareness. When you're aware of everything around you, आप कहाँ बैठे हैं, आप कितना बोल रहे हैं, आप कितना खा रहे हैं, you know, you're listening to your body, it means you are in a state of awareness, right? And the moment you are in a state of awareness, you are in a state of meditation. But एक ही condition है, आप स्टेट ऑफ अवेयरनेस में सिर्फ तभी आते हैं जब आप एक्सेप्ट करते हैं अपने कंपल्सिव बिहेवियर को. देन ओनली यू कम इनटू अ स्टेट ऑफ अवेयरनेस. एंड व्हेन यू आर इन अ स्टेट ऑफ अवेयरनेस 24/7, यू आर इन अ स्टेट ऑफ मेडिटेशन 24/7. चाहे वो फूड हो, चाहे वो स्लीप हो, चाहे वो ग्रीड हो, चाहे वो अब्यूजिंग हो, या चाहे वो ओवर यूजेज ऑफ इंटरनेट हो. ये सारे जो कंपल्सिव बिहेवियर्स हैं, जब आप इनको एक्सेप्ट करने लगेंगे अपनी लाइफ में, and then only you will start developing into a state of awareness. You will start coming into a state of awareness. That is meditation. So meditation is not something that you have to do in silence only. You can be in a big crowd and still you can be meditative. And I tell you guys, meditation creates beautiful energies in your body and in your life. So start doing meditation daily in your life and start feeling those lovely energies. This is Man from Fragrance of Fitness saying goodbye for now. I'll see you soon. Good day.